Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Many users face the frustrating situation of being locked out of their Android devices due to forgotten passwords, and this can be a major inconvenience. I'll guide you through the necessary steps to reset your device safely without needing to unlock it. Just remember, this process will erase all data on your device, so proceed with caution. Now, let's get started. If you have enabled the Google Find My Device feature on your phone, you can reset your phone using a computer or another mobile device. Go to Google, search Google Find My, and sign in with your Google account linked to your locked phone. Choose your locked device from the list displayed. Click on Factory Reset Device, and you will be asked to sign into your Google account again. Click Reset, then Erase, and this will remotely wipe all data from your phone, including the lock screen password. You can also reset your Android phone with EaseUS Mobi Unlock for Android. It is a professional tool to remove screen locks in various scenarios, such as when you forget the passcode or your phone is disabled. Also, it can remove all types of screen passcode. Download Mobi Unlock for Android via the link in the description below. After installing, launch it on your computer and click Remove Screen Lock. Choose your device brand. Click Unlock Now. Enter the required information in the box and click Unlock again. Then, you will see the instructions and follow the steps. Now, let's see how to factory reset Android phones. Mind you that the following steps are only for Motorola. Press the power button to turn off the phone. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the phone turns on. Press the volume down button until you see the recovery mode. Press the power button to restart in recovery mode. If you see the No Command screen, press and hold the power button and, while holding it down, press and release the volume up button. Use the volume buttons to scroll to wipe data/factory reset, then press the power button to select it. Press volume down button to highlight factory data reset, and use power button to select. After a few seconds, choose Reboot System Now. There you have it. You know how to factory reset your Android without a password. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.